Hi guys, welcome to a new video. On this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to use the Xlookup formula. You may not be familiar with it because it was first introduced on March 2020. So if you're an old Excel user like me, you've probably never heard of it before. But don't worry, I'll show you how to use it. And once you master it, you will say goodbye to the old VLOOKUP and INDEX MATCH formulas. The example shown is available for download on the link below in the description. If you have questions, please leave a comment and don't forget to like and to subscribe at the end. So let's go! For this example, I'm going to be using two different tables. I have table A on my left side and I have table B on my right side. So as you can see on table A, I only have the code, the sales, but I don't know the customer name. And on the other table, I have the customer name and I have the code. So since I have the code on both of my tables, I have the code on table B and I have the code on table A, I'm gonna use that value to look for the customer name and complete table A. For that matter, I'm gonna be using the Xlookup formula. So I'm gonna type in here the equal sign. I'm gonna type Xlookup. I'm gonna open the parentheses. And now, as you can see, it's asking me for the lookup value. So the lookup value is going to be the value that I want to look on table B. So for this case, I'm gonna select the value from column A, which is the code, and I'm gonna type next a comma. Then the formula is asking me for a lookup array. So in other words, it's asking me where can I find that value on a different table. So for this case, we can find the code on the array of table B. So I'm going to select all of the codes from cell B2 down to cell B12, and that is going to define the lookup array. The next step is to type a comma, and now the formula is asking me for a return array. So for this case, what is the value that I want to have on column A that will come from column B? So for this case, we're going to select the values from customer name from cell B2 down to cell B12, and that will be it. We'll just need to close the formula with a parenthesis, and then we're gonna press enter. So as you can see, we now have the customer name that is coming from table B right into table A. So I'm looking for this code on table B, which is right here, and I'm bringing the value next to it, which is Elvis Presley. And that is the value that I'm getting on column C, which is customer name. So now I'll just need to copy this formula down to the other cells. I'm gonna double click here, and there we go. So the Xlookup formula simplifies the use of VLOOKUP or index and match. Alright guys, I hope that video was useful. If it was, don't forget to leave a comment, to like, and to subscribe. Please help me to stay motivated to make more videos and tutorials for you. Finally, don't forget that the files used for this video are available for download on the link below. Thanks again and see you next time!